Consider a student loan of $17,500 at a fixed APR, APR being annual interest rate, of 12% for 20 years. Let's take a look. If we're trying to calculate the monthly payment, we can do that using Microsoft Excel pretty easily. So we're going to open up Microsoft Excel and we're just going to put the information they give us. They give us three numbers. We're going to put those three numbers in, but it's important that we recognize what they are. The first one is the $17,500. That's the amount or the principal. They also tell us the APR, which is the interest rate, but only annually. And lastly, they tell us the number of years. Now, when we're calculating monthly payment in Excel, we're going to use the PMT function, which asks for something a little different than that. It asks for the rate, the N per, the number of payments, or the number of periods, and the PV, or the principal value. So we're pretty close to having exactly what we need. We're going to go ahead and type this in, but I want to give you a warning. When we do this, everything must be monthly since we're calculating monthly payments. So please make sure you take the APR, the rate, and divide it by 12. Take the years and recognize that we're going to pay 12 times a year, so you're going to have to multiply that number by 12. Now the PV is just the amount that we borrowed.